What's up guys, your girl Damo. I'm back to bring you guys another video. As you already know, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, leave a comment and a thumbs up because I'll really appreciate that because it helps me out a lot. Alright, so let's get right into this unboxing. So as you guys already seen from the thumbnail, this is a Vans Old Skool unboxing. I got this pair because I saw them on a sneaker page on Instagram. I'm not sure which one it was, but I saw these online. I was like, oh, this colorway looks fire, so let me pick these up. I got this pair from Opening Ceremony. I'll link them down below so you guys can pick up a pair. And here's what the sneaker looked like. These are pretty cool, but honestly, from the picture, the stock photo that I saw, these are a little more, how do I say this? These are a little more dusty looking, like they're a little more ashy. So just be aware that when you order these sneakers, it's a chance that it's gonna look a little off from the photo. Like it's not a true turquoise, it's not a true brownish tan. Like it's a little muted. All in all, this is a pretty cool shoe. It's a nice fall shoe, so you know, I'll still rock it. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm still gonna rock it. You know, I paid for it. I'm just not gonna let it go to waste. But you know, maybe they'll grow on me as time goes on. I think the colorway is dope, but the execution, it could have been better, but it is what it is. I still feel like they're rockable. So yeah, but thank you guys for joining me in my unboxing video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. So until then, you guys already know, peace out.